Today we'll talk about how can you add your birthday on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first. So you just go down, click here on profile down here. When you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on edit profile, just click on it. So then you click here on date of birth here, just click on it. Then you click in this side. So then here can you select or add your birthday in this list. When you're down, you just click here on OK, then it's going to add with you. So that's all you have to do. So then you click on this sign to save video. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.